Alright, got a 2001 Crown Vic. Check engine light came on, said that it was getting a misfire code on cylinder number 2. So easiest way to check that is to take the coil pack out of number 2, replace it with the coil pack in number 3, and do a live data scan to see if cylinder number 3 is now misfiring. If so, that would tell me that the coil pack is bad. So now we're going to check the computer. Alrighty, we're going to do this live data scan. Here we go. You look on the screen, cylinder number 3. This is so easy to read, anybody can read it. Cylinder number 3 value data. It's negative 18. All the other cylinders are 0. That means they are doing what they're supposed to do. So with now number 3 cylinder being at a negative 18, and at first it was number 2, it lets me know that the coil pack is bad. And that's pretty common on Fords, coil packs being replaced. But you got the right tools, you do the job a lot easier. No guessing games.